Introduction. Welcome back to Bike Expert, your trusted source for everything on two wheels. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Honda Rebel 1100, a modern cruiser that blends raw power, aggressive style, and surprising comfort. With its latest upgrades, the Rebel 1100 continues to challenge the norms of traditional cruisers while offering cutting-edge tech and Honda reliability. Engine and performance, power meets precision. At the heart of the 2025 Rebel 1100 lies a powerful 1,084 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine borrowed from the Africa Twin. It's been retuned to suit cruiser dynamics, delivering a torque-rich performance that's perfect for low-end grunt and highway cruising. Producing around 85 horsepower and 98 Nm of torque, the Rebel offers thrilling acceleration, especially in the mid-range. Whether you're cruising the city or powering through long-distance highways, the Rebel 1100 responds with smooth, controlled aggression. Transmission options, manual or DCT? One of the standout features of the Rebel 1100 is the choice between a 6-speed manual gearbox and Honda's advanced DCT, dual-clutch transmission. Riders who prefer traditional shifting can enjoy a precise and engaging ride, while those who opt for DCT will love the smooth, automatic-like experience that adapts to riding style. It's a game-changer for newer riders or those who want a laid-back cruise without the hassle of constant gear changes. Styling, bold, dark, and minimalist. The 2025 Rebel 1100 continues its legacy of sleek, dark aesthetics. The bike features a blacked-out engine, minimalist LED lighting, and a low-slung stance that screams attitude. Honda has refined the design with a slightly reshaped fuel tank and new color options like matte iridium gray metallic and Bordeaux red metallic. It's a perfect balance of retro styling and futuristic edge, making it one of the best-looking cruisers in its class. Comfort and ergonomics, low and laid back. Despite its aggressive appearance, the Rebel 1100 is surprisingly comfortable. With a low 27.5-inch seat height, forward-set foot pegs, and relaxed handlebars, the ergonomics cater to both shorter and taller riders. Honda has improved the seat cushioning for 2025, offering better support for long rides. There's also a pillion seat included for occasional two-up trips, although the bike is clearly designed with solo cruising in mind. Tech and features. Modern cruiser DNA. This isn't your average bare-bones cruiser. The Rebel 1100 is packed with modern features like ride-by-wire throttle, 3 ride modes, standard, sport, rain, traction control, and cruise control. The LCD display is compact yet informative, and the USB-C charging port under the seat is perfect for keeping your phone powered during rides.